As a close observer of Intuit, what should we be expecting from that company over the near future?
Intuit's got quite a business going, and they are facing the same thing many of us are facing. The pace of change in technology is huge, and they are finding that their main product, QuickBooks, and then tax products as well, are old. They're based on old technologies. They're desktop software for the most part. So the big change is Intuit in their ecosystem that they've developed around them of developers who add products that connect into QuickBooks. They're changing that whole world from a desktop-based concept of developer products connecting to the database on your computer, right on in Windows, to an online thing. Again, kind of trying to take advantage of the web and all of these things. Intuit has this product called QuickBase. You may have heard of it. It's an online database. You say, so what? From the accountant's perspective, so what? Well, what so what means is QuickBase is becoming the data store for developer products as well as for Intuit developed products. So they're moving from the desktop to the web, and one of the key platforms they're using on the web is this online database called QuickBase, and they're moving their ecosystem of developers with them. Meaning, if I'm a developer adding inventory, you name what business process add-on to QuickBooks, I now need to retool my application if I want to follow Intuit. I'm going to retool my application to be web-based, and I'm going to be using Intuit's tools. There's an initiative they have called the Intuit Partner Platform, and that's replacing their SDK, their Software Developer Kit, and it's all online. So a developer now uses the Intuit Partner Platform to develop to a QuickBase database, and that then gets synchronized with the data on the desktop, the QuickBooks product on the desktop. Ultimately, that product goes away. We're 10 years out, but whatever, it's going to go away. And when the desktop QuickBooks goes away or fades away, there will be other things coming along from Intuit, I'm quite sure, that will probably be a little more web-based. So it's sort of, the future is web, and they're trying to pull developers along with them now. And I think that's an important thing for you to watch over the next 2-3 years, is how successful will Intuit be in getting developers to follow them onto the web. Not an obvious win for developers in today's business to just go do that, but some of them are really taking up the challenge and some of them aren't. So we'll see what happens.